Morning, guys. This is Tom, your Florida Realtor. In this monthly newsletter, I wanted to talk to you about how do you get a loan. Obviously, you decided to buy a home, and most people have already figured it out. You go to a bank or you go online, you put in your information, and you're deluged with responses. Or you walk into the bank, and the bank says, "Oh, yeah, sure, let me hook you up with my loan officer." Okay. You go over to that loan officer, but is that the right loan officer for you? Let's take a step back and talk about this for a minute. One, banks tend to be cheaper. What? They don't have as much fees, and the fees that they do have are not as high as they will be if you use a loan originator. But banks' loan tend to be more conservative. All right, so you may have a more difficult time getting the loan that you need from a bank, but it does cost you less. The loan origination business really starts because of that. Since banks are so conservative, since you can't get a loan, somebody else will give you a loan, but they'll charge you higher fees or they're going to cost you a little bit more. So decision one, do I use a bank? Do I use a loan officer from a mortgage origination company? Either way that you decide to go, a loan officer will be assigned to your file. And there's a couple of questions you need to ask for that loan officer. Just because they're assigned to you doesn't mean you have to use them. So one, how much experience do they have in doing loans? Have they been in the business 2-3 years? 5-7 years? Experience is really important in this, guys. If somebody has more experience, they've been through the mill, they understand the rules and regulations. There is a lot of them in the mortgage business. So having someone with several years of experience is a big plus. Two, do they have experience at the company they're at? Someone may have 5 years experience in the loan business, but just have started with a new company. Is that person really going to understand that loaning institution's processes and procedures and packages that they have to offer? I'm not so sure, so ask. Three, do they have experience in the type of loan you're looking to do? Are you looking to do a conventional loans? Okay, that's great. How about FHA? Well, that's different than conventional, but it is the most popular loan in the United States. Are they going to use VA? And if you've qualified for VA, I want to thank you for your service to our country. It is appreciated. But if they're going to do a VA loan, I can almost guarantee you that a new loan officer will have done several FHA loans, but very few VA loans. So ask them about the type of loan that you're interested in or that is available to you. All right, just because you walk in to do FHA doesn't mean there isn't a better loan package there for you to take advantage of. So when you make your decision on going out and getting pre-qualified, which is the first step you should do when you're looking to buy to buy a home, one, how much can you afford? Do you use a bank? Do you use a loan origination officer? Bank, cheaper, more conservative. Mortgage originator, variety of packages, higher cost. Then once the loan officer is assigned, do they have experience? Do they have experience at the company they're working at? Do they have experience in the type of loan that you're using? Last but not least, there's an MNLS number assigned to every professional loan officer. You're able to look up that person's history and make sure that they have something in the works that you need to be aware of. All right, it's a great check system. Last but not least, I have several loan officers who work for me. They have shown through their actions that they're educated, performing professionals. Do you have to use them? Absolutely not. Any realtor who recommends to you that you have to use their loan officer is wrong. Very simple. You can use any loan officer that you've done your research on and you feel comfortable with, that's fine. So if you have any questions about the loaning business, how do you pick a mortgage broker, give me a call, Tom, your Florida Realtor. You can reach me at 239-313-9209, Tom, 239-313-9209, or shoot me an email, Tom, the letter F, Miller, the number 7 at gmail.com. Shoot me an email, ask me any question you like. I can get you a list of loan officers. You can choose whoever you like, but always get yourself pre-qualified when you start in the the home purchasing process. So you're shopping in the right niche that's right for you. So talk to you guys soon. Have any questions, reach out. Have a great, safe day.